Hey everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're uncovering some powerful money secrets the rich would rather keep to themselves. These strategies are key to growing wealth, yet they're rarely talked about openly. Why? Because they give the wealthy an edge that they don't want the world to know about. If you're ready to discover what the wealthy don't want you to know, let's dive right in. 1. The power of leverage. Our first secret is leverage. The rich know how to use other people's money to grow their wealth. Whether it's through loans, investments, or business funding, they don't rely solely on their own resources. By borrowing at low interest rates to invest in high return opportunities, they maximize profits while spreading out risk. Imagine using $100,000 of borrowed money to earn 10% in returns while paying just 3% in interest. That's a 7% gain with minimal risk. This secret weapon allows them to grow wealth far faster than those who depend only on savings. 2. Tax optimization techniques. Next up is a big one: tax optimization. The rich invest time and money in finding every possible way to reduce their tax burden. They use legal strategies like offshore accounts, trusts, and tax loss harvesting to minimize taxes. For example, they might sell losing investments to offset gains, reducing what they owe. The wealthy also take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts and sometimes even live abroad for tax benefits. By keeping more of what they earn, they grow their wealth faster, and keep these tactics carefully guarded to stay ahead. 3. Compound growth through passive investments. Another secret the wealthy rely on is compound growth. While many people chase quick wins, the wealthy understand that long-term investments yield exponential returns. By putting money into assets like stocks, real estate, and index funds, they benefit from the power of compounding, which grows their wealth over time. Just imagine investing $10,000 at 8%. It doubles roughly every 9 years. Wealthy people know that leaving money to grow in the market leads to far greater returns than any short-term, high-risk approach. 4. Diversification in high-yield assets. The wealthy also diversify, but not just in typical stocks and bonds. They invest in high-yield assets like private equity, venture capital, and alternative assets that can yield returns far higher than traditional investments. Accessing these options often requires significant capital and insider knowledge, which is why they're out of reach for many. Diversification in these areas provides the wealthy with extra layers of security and often higher returns, making it easier to weather economic downturns. 5. Networking for exclusive opportunities. Finally, the wealthy network for opportunities. High net worth individuals often have access to exclusive investments and business deals that aren't available to the public. By surrounding themselves with other successful people, they tap into a network of private knowledge, from investment tips to lucrative partnerships. These opportunities open doors for higher returns and more influence in business, which keeps them ahead of the curve. It's one of the biggest advantages the wealthy have, and a secret they work hard to keep within their inner circles. And there you have it, the money secrets the wealthy would rather keep under wraps. These strategies may not be obvious, but they're incredibly effective in building and protecting wealth. By using leverage, optimizing taxes, investing for compound growth, diversifying, and networking, the rich create a cycle of growing wealth that others may never see. If these secrets inspired you, try applying one to your own financial strategy, and watch how it can make a difference. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from these insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.